Hello and welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow and encourage me to make more videos. So please do if you haven't yet subscribed. All right, so now that we have made an access thingy here, we can use it to limit access to certain places. Alrighty then. So let's see how we can do that. And also, we need to create a dashboard because just having a menu here, we might not want everything on this menu. We may want a dashboard of some kind. So we'll create a dashboard as well. But for now, let's see if we can limit access to the admin area. Boom, which is right here. So if I'm not logged in as admin. So clearly, in our thing here, we don't have any admins yet. Okay, we don't have any admins. Anyone who logs in as user. So since we all, signing up, since we all signed up from the normal sign up process, we are users. None of these are admins, so we shouldn't be able to access the admin area. So let's see how we can use this to the Auth class to solve this problem. So I'm going to go to our views because it's really just the view that we don't want to see. So I'm going to go to, it really depends on how you want to fix this. Do you want to show the user that access denied, or do you want to just redirect them to the login page so they can log in as admin? That's entirely up to you. But let's try and use the, let's go to Auth here, right where there's login and sign up. Let's just add one page, which is access denied, right? We still want to be able to view the what's this? We still want to be able to view the menus and all that stuff, but let's get here to Auth and let me give this a, let's say, new file. New file right there. And what to do? So here I just want a simple file. Let me save this though. We just call it denied.php, right? Obviously it's a view file, so let's put .view.php. So denied.view.php. So here I want an h1 tag. Let's zoom in quite a bunch here, and we're going to say access denied. So here you can put a smiley face, whatever you want, a sad face. Graphics are always good. So access denied. Let's make sure this is in the center of the page. First of all, let's add a break tag because we really don't have much here. And let's put a center. Let me move this to the other side. Great, yes. So what I want to do now is go to my admin section, and that's the admin controller. Boom. So here it shows me the view that is required, right? But then I can intercept it and say if access, let's use auth, access, and this is for the, I'm not really sure. I think supervisor. What we can do though is we want the admin and the supervisor to be able to both come here, but we want certain pages to only be restricted to the admin. But for a start, we still want the supervisor to have access to this general admin page, right? So let's put supervisor because that is the access. And yes, just like that, we can put this. And then we're going to put an else, of course, and require a different thingy here if access is denied. So instead of the admin, we're going to go to the auth folder and denied, which is right here. Okie doke. So I expect my access to be denied right now. So there we go. Access denied. Very good. But not so good because we don't have our header. We can't really do much here. So instead, let's look at what the admin view actually has at the top. So it has partial header. So let's copy that and let's go to denied and let's give it that as well. There we go. We also have the footer because we need that. Copy. Back here, and let's add that to the footer. Let's put a break tag and our footer is right there. What have I done? Okay, very good. Let's see how that changes things. There we go. So access denied. Okay, very cool. Now you may want to customize this access denied a little bit by adding a message, right? So what we can do is in the authentication here, we can have a way to send messages, etc., etc. Since we are dealing with the session anyway here, so what I can do is create a session variable called session message. So I'll just copy this. I'll do this actually. So here what I'll do is let's put a static function as well. Let's go public static function, and let's put two functions. Let's say set message. Now it's up to you how you want to do this. You can use the camel case like that, set message. I hope that's not massage though, because I have a tendency of mistaking message with massage. Anyway, public static function set message, and of course you have to guess that the other one will be get message. So we set a message and we get the message. So to set a message, here will be the message itself. Just like get message doesn't need us to supply anything. So what we'll do is we'll say set message, and that message will be right there. Let me paste that. And I will say no need for an if statement. I'll just say session message. You can capitalize this just to give it that importance feel. So message, get message, and say message is equal to message. Simple and straightforward, right? We're just setting a value in the session equal to that. But then when we read the message, we must empty it just after reading. That way we don't keep seeing it. So we will check also if it's not empty. That's when we show it. So if not empty message, then what do? We echo the message. Let's echo that message. We won't put any HTML here. We're just echoing the message. Actually, instead of echoing the message, let's return the message. That's much better because then we can choose what to do with that return later. So return message, and after the return of the message, let's unset this guy. So we're going to say unset. That way we don't have to interact with it anymore. Now the problem here is that we have a slight problem. Yeah, when we return something, the function exits, so which means this will never run. So we can't do this. So instead, what we will do is let's set the message to a specific value that is temporal. So I'm just going to say message is equal to, and let's get that message from there. That way we can unset this nicely without affecting the message that we've sent, and then return the message itself. Okay, great. That way we make sure that return is the last statement. Very cool. Yeah. So set message, get message. Very nice. What else? What else we need? Okay, so with this, what we can do is I can go to admin. So right here where the authentication is denied, I can just say auth set message like this, and set what message I want. So I can say you don't have access to the admin page. Okay, so that's very specific. And then we show this. So when we show this now on the access denied thingy here, all I need to do is go to the view for the access denied. So access denied. Then we can have, since this is the center tag, we need this on the center as well. I can have just a normal div to show me a message, right? So here I will just say auth. And because we are returning the result, we have to put that equal sign for echoing, right? And I will say auth get message. So if there is no message, nothing will show and I won't get any errors. So all I need is just that get message, and we are home and dry. So equals get message, and wait, what else did I want to do? I wanted to do something, but I've forgotten. Oh no, oh no. Oh no, this is not good. Something slipped my mind and I thought it was very important. I can't remember. But anyway, there we go. You don't have access to this admin page. But if I refresh, will I see this again? Oh yes, I will, because I'm still on the admin page. So you don't have access to the admin page. Oh my god, something slipped my mind and it's just driving me nuts not being able to remember it. But hopefully I'll remember it soon. Okay, great. So that's how we handle. Let me go back here. Maybe I'll remember. Oh, shikes. Anyway, yeah, if I remember it, I'll mention, of course. So this is what we do. Now let's change our access level, because this is the user that I have here. And if we do change the access level, what to do here? So if I change my row here to admin, enter. So my row is now admin. If I refresh, I still get access denied. And this is because the session does not check in the database. The data is stored in the session. So you have to log out and log in again. Let's try that. Email at email.com and password. There we go. So let's try to go to the admin section, and now we have access. But I need us to play supervisor for now, because there are places where supervisor cannot access. So let me write supervisor. Okay, so I've given myself the supervisor role, email at email.com. Of course, we're going to put a way to change these rows without having to go to the database, etc. But at least you can see even supervisor has access still. But supervisor should not have access to users, because they shouldn't be able to do anything there. They can have access to the cells and products, but not the users section, because that's where we add or delete rows. So it depends what you really want to do. You can set those privileges as need be. Okay. So yes, that's about it.